The bread baked 250 generations ago and the loaf that just popped out of your local bakery might seem different, but they have both been at the heart of our lives for generations. Bread is rooted in our daily routine. Now imagine, what if that much-loved bread could be the everyday nourishment your gut needs? More than 100 trillion microorganisms live and thrive in our gut. It's also the home to 70% of our immune system. Everybody's gut microbiome is different and as unique as a fingerprint. What we eat can positively impact our gut microbiome and improve not only our physical health, but also our mental well-being. Select grains and natural fiber sources in bread feed the good bacteria already present in your gut, helping them thrive and support our immune system. This has inspired Puratos to combine the art of baking with the science of gut health. Rely on our century-long experience in the baking industry to offer you solutions to make the tastiest breads with gut health benefits. Happy Gut by Puratos, for breads that feed your inner smile.